Students, this is 172nd maths class. So let us continue solving more problems on that same concept, tangents and normals. First question, find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve. So to the curve y equals x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. X coordinate means x value. Also find slope of normal. Students, slope of the tangent is m, whereas slope of the normal is minus 1 by m. Slope of the tangent is m. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by m. It's so easy question. Let us go for solving that. Let us solve that easy question. Right. So differentiate. Solution. So dy by dx equals 3x square minus 3. 3x square minus 3. Slope of the tangent m. M means slope of the tangent. M means slope of the tangent. Minus 1 by m means slope of the normal. So dy by dx at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. Substitute for x, students. 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 3, so 24. So 27 minus 3 is 24, right? How much is slope of the tangent, students? 24. So next, slope of normal is minus 1 by m. Slope of normal is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m is 24. This is slope of normal. By hand that, students, to find normal's slope, m value required. To find normal's slope, m value required. Let us solve next question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. So to the curve x equals a cos cube theta, comma y equals a sin cube theta. So at theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. So finding normal's slope. Normal's slope means finding the value of minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m represents normal's slope. Let us go for that. Parametric equations, students. They are the parametric equations. You know how to find dy by dx for the parametric equations. X equals a cos cube theta. So we have x on left side, theta on right side. X with respect to theta. Differentiating x with respect to theta. You do that, students. So dx by d theta, constant into function a. Start differentiating from power. Start x power n into x power n minus 1. 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 2 theta into 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 2 theta. Differentiation of power over, come to this base. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So that is dx by d theta is equal to minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. Similarly, you find out dy by d theta value. Dy by d theta. So y equals a sin cube theta. So dy by d theta. A into start differentiating from power 3 sin square theta. Again differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Cos theta. So now dy by dx required. Dy by dx required. So dy by dx means you write in the numerator you write dy value. In the denominator you write dx value. dy means 3a cos theta sin square theta by dx. So dx value minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. So 3a get cancels. Sin theta cos theta sin cos. Remaining will be sin by cos tan theta. So right there. So remaining cos get cancels, one more cos is remaining. Sin got cancelled, one more sin is remaining. Sin by cos still minus. Carry this minus, otherwise you lose marks. Minus tan theta. Now let us find the slope of the tangent. M equals, so dy by dx equals at, so theta equals pi by 4. So write minus tan 45. How much is minus tan 45, students? 1. Tan 45 is 1. It is minus 1. Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Now you find slope of normal. Slope of normal. Slope of normal. Slope of normal is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by, tell me m value, students. M value it is minus 1. Minus 1 by minus 1 it is plus 1. Plus 1. Next question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. So to the curve, x equals 1 minus a sin theta. So y equals, so b cos square theta. Y equals b cos square theta at theta equals pi by 2. At theta is equal to pi by 2. Here it is asked to find out slope of the normal. First you find out slope of the tangent. Using that, finding normal slope is so easy. So right, students. So dx by d theta. solution. So dx by d theta, dx by d theta, differentiation of 1, it is constant, is 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So write 0 minus constant into function. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate the function. That is minus a into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So tell me dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is minus a cos theta. Go for finding dy by d theta. So dy by d theta b. Start differentiating from power. Start differentiating from power. X power n into x power n minus 1. 2 cos theta. So 2 cos theta. Again differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So dy by d theta is minus 2b sin theta cos theta. You find out dy by dx value. So dy by dx is equal to, substitute for dy value. Substitute for dy. So dy is minus 2b sin theta cos theta by dx value minus a cos theta. Cos theta get cancels. It is so 2b by a into sin theta. 2b by a into sin theta. Now let's find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent. So m equals, so dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2 is so 2b by a sin pi by 2. 2b by a sin 90. Sin 90 1 into 2b by a. So 2b by a. 2b by a. Slope of the tangent. Now you go for finding slope of the normal. Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is, tell me normal slope formula students, minus 1 by m, minus 1 by m, minus 1 by m value. How much is m? 2b by a. Reverse it students, minus a by 2b, minus a by 2b. We got the normal slope. Now let's move on to solve. So one more question. Find the so next question. Find the points at which find the points at which the tangent to the curve, the tangent to the curve, the tangent to the curve y equals x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x axis. Is parallel to x axis. So observe that simple question students. Understand the question first. Understanding the question first. If question is understood well, solving becomes so easy. Find the points Finding points means finding x values and y values. A point means ordered pair. A point means ordered pair which contains, which includes x value and y value. You learnt those basic things in your lower classes itself, right? So first let us go for differentiating solution. So dy by dx equals, so dy by dx, differentiate that 3x square. So 3x square minus 3 2s are 6x minus 9. Now to find the points, let us use one more given condition in the question. What it is given for us? Parallel to x-axis. We have a condition. Tangents are parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis implies dy by dx equals 0. What is the condition for tangents to be parallel to x-axis, students? Dy by dx is 0. Parallel to y-axis means dx by dy is 0. Parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is 0. Perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis means reciprocal of that. What is the reciprocal of dy by dx? It is dx by dy equals 0. So right, substituting that, that implies 0 equals 3x1 minus 6x minus 9. So divide by 3, x1 minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Factorize this quadratic equation. 3. So write 3 ones are 3 minus plus factorization, students. x1 minus 3x plus 1x plus x minus 3. So that is x common from these two. X common, x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3. Tell me two factors, students. The two factors are x plus 1 into x minus 3, 0. X values, x equals minus 1, x equals 3. Finding x values will not complete. Finding x values will not complete finding the points. Points means you should find out both x values as well as y values. X values as well as y values. Now let's find out y values. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Y value. Y is equal to minus 1 whole cube. It is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole square. What is minus 1 whole square? Plus 1. Need not to write it. X is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 9. Plus 7. Now simplify this. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 into 3 minus 3. X is minus 1 minus 1 minus plus 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 16. 16 minus 4. 12. So we got a point. The first point is minus 1 comma 12. So next we have one more. You should write, we represent points by using ordered pairs. Points ನೀವು ಈ ಥರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. x y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಲರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Learning correct and complete important. Next, x is equal to one more value. X equals 3. So y equals 3 cube 27. 3 cube 27 minus 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27. minus 9 3s are 27 plus 7 plus 7 plus 27 minus 27 get cancels. So y equals minus 27 plus 7 minus 20 minus 20. One more point is 3 comma minus 20. Totally how many points, students? 2 points. Point 1, point 2. I hope you people are understanding clearly. Let us solve one more question of the same type. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Points on the curve x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. At the point at which find the points at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Same type question, students. Let us go for solving that. Let us go for solving that. X square is 2x, so 2x, y square, so 2y into dy by dx, so y square, differentiate that x square 2x, y square, power base angle formula, differentiate power 2y, again y is dy by dx, 2y, again differentiate the base. Base is divided by dx, property is that minus, so 2 into 1, differentiation minus 3 is 0. Find out dy by dx, students. So 2y divided by dx minus 2, send this minus to right side, 2, send this 2x right side, minus 2x, or you do this one, you go for this one, tangents are parallel. So tangents are parallel. Parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means parallel to x-axis means dy by dx equals 0. Put dy by dx is equal to 0 in that. That implies 2x plus 0. 0 and everything is 0. Minus 2 0. 2x equals to x is equal to 1. I am getting x value as 1. Let's find out y value. Put x is equal to 1 in that, you will get y value. X square, 1 square 1 plus y square minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 is 0. So right. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Y square minus 4 is 0. Y square equals 4. Y equals plus or minus root 4. Plus or minus 2. I am getting two values, means 2 points. So the points are 1 comma plus or minus 2. I hope you understood, students. So right. Okay, students, let us stop this class. We shall continue in the next class. Thank you. Sir.